Riranjan, what is Agnihotra? Could you please explain what is the procedure of Agnihotra?
Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Vande Gomatra. So let us talk about Agnihotra, and I'm so happy that you asked this question for the benefit of all. So what is Agnihotra? Agni is fire. Hotra means offering. It's an offering in the fire. And that is why the mantra in the evening Agnihotra is Agnaye Swaha. O Agni, O fire, I bow down to you. Agnaye Idanna Mama. And this does not belong to me. Idanna Mama. Prajapataye Swaha. Prajapati, O the creator, I bow down to you. Prajapataye Idanna Mama. And this belongs to universe. Nothing which is used in Agnihotra belongs to me. Idanna Mama. This is not mine. This is of the whole universe. And the Suryodaya mantra is sunrise mantra. Instead of Agnaye, we say Suryaya Swaha, O sun, I bow down to you. Suryaya Idanna Mama. Idanna Mama. This does not belong to me. It is of the whole universe. Prajapataye Swaha. O Prajapati, the creator, I bow down to you. Prajapataye Idanna Mama. This does not belong to you. This does not belong to me. This belongs to universe. And when we say, I bow down to you, O Prajapati, O Agni, fire, O sun, then this is my salutation. Barambar namaskar hai. This is offering my prayers to the God. So let us do Agnihotra. This is what is cow dung cakes, made up of dried Indian cow dung. When we smear Indian cow ghee in this, it looks like this. So we have to place Agnihotra Patra is here, and we'll place this Agnihotra Patra will be Agnihotra Patra. What is the size of the Agnihotra Patra? What are the ingredients? How to place this cow dung cake, goitha, pati, uple, kanda is important to know.
Yes, please elaborate.
Yes. So, this is Agnihotra Patra. This is like pyramid. And what is pyramid? Pyramid. In the middle, in the center, it holds the energy. It has the quality of holding the energy. And why it is made up of copper? Because the anu, the atom of copper, is most similar to pyramid. Right? And this is the shape. So let us place or put this cow dung cake at the base of the Agnihotra Patra. We have purposefully smeared Indian cow ghee in priority before doing Agnihotra. And now, are you clear about the mantra?
No.
So the mantra, there are 6 ingredients actually. How many ingredients? 6 ingredients for one to do Agnihotra. First and foremost is the samaya, the time. We have to do at the exact local sunrise and the exact local sunset time. For that we may use Agnihotra Buddy app or any other app. Tekojis app, so many apps are there to calculate the latitude and the longitude of the place, the location where we are in at that particular point in time. Right?
Right.
So, the Agnihotra Patra is basically 14.5 centimeter by 14.5 centimeter from here, 5.25 centimeter by 5.25 centimeter from the base, 6.5 centimeter height, and angle to the earth is 51 degree. When we release, when we do the offering, we chant the mantras. First is the time, second is the Agnihotra Patra made up of copper, it may be of mud, Swarna, Sona or gold, Chandi or silver, not of iron. The second ingredient therefore is copper. It has antibacterial, oligodynamic properties. The third is the cow dung cakes. Now the cow dung cakes, it is not made up of Jersey cow, it is not made up of buffalo, but only and only Indian cow. Desi Govansh. So why Desi Govansh? Because Indian cow has hump or kubar, locally known as kubar or kandha, it is hump. When the sunlight drops on that hump of the Indian cow, more than 26 minerals gets into that hump, and that comes into the milk, and the milk is churned, curd is made, and the ghee is there for us, all of us. It is of Aushadhiya gun, medicinal qualities. It can be used for so many skin purposes, so many diseases or vyadhya can be eliminated.